Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows Online Troubleshooting Service is disabled fix. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /check health. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /scan health. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Type SFC space, /scano. Exit and restart system. Second method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand administrative templates. Click and expand system. Click and expand troubleshooting and diagnostics. Click and expand scripted diagnostics. Open allow users to access online troubleshooting content on Microsoft servers. Check enabled, click apply, click OK. Close and exit group policy editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.